Let's go. So we got we're doing let's see here, Jeff today. Jeff's a hard machine on Try Hack Me. And I guess we'll see if we can what we can do with him.
All right.
Oh Jesus. Man, that is loud. Super loud. I'm sure that's not doing anything. Alright, let's do this. So go ahead and make a directory. I want to do lateral pivot movement, the lateral movement and pivoting one, but box wasn't working. I wasn't able to put. I was doing DNS and everything, and yeah, I wasn't able to do an NS lookup. So I was like, well, this isn't gonna work very well. So let's go ahead and CD or make a directory. Jeff, CD to Jeff, and I guess we'll start off with the nmap scan. Hopefully he's up and running on 10.10.58.161. Hopefully he's up and running. It's been about 3.5 minutes. So we got port 80 and 22 back so far. Let's go ahead and check out, make sure that port 80 is actually real. We'll also do an nmap scan on him. And let's go see if he's actually up and running. 10.10.58.161. I got a huge spider web on me. Hate to see it. You know? Did you forget to add Jeff THM to your host file? Okay. Well, let's let me go ahead and get to my notes here. Don't want all my notes up. Wrong notes. File, recent documents. Let's see here. Boom. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and do Jeff here. Add a new guy in, Jeff. And we'll say throw him down at the bottom down here. Or maybe I'll throw everything else up. Oh god. Oh no. Is that what the kids say nowadays? Okay, there we go. We'll do an nmap scan. And we also have we see this port 80 like right here. And we also got this HTTP, which is telling us to add Jeff to the host file. So HTTP. We get this like right here. Jeff.thm. Let's do that. Sudo nano etc host. The IP address is 10.10.58.161. Whoopsie daisy. Not that. Restore all terminals. That's going to be Jeff.thm. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we can get with this guy. Let's do a Jeff.thm. We got Jeff's portfolio. Now this is a hard box also, right? And we're also, obviously we have name here and everything like that. So I'm wondering if we should also be doing vhost on this guy. So let's go ahead and start off with GoBuster. And we'll all start off with a FUF for vhost. Let's go GoBuster, dirtac-u, and I guess we'll do directory list big. I don't know if that's really the best idea because we are still on Try Hack Me here. Let's go ahead. Yeah, we'll do that. Then we'll do tac-t 100 maybe. Do like 100 threads on it. We'll try that. And then we'll do a FUF. Boom. And this time we actually want it to be a host, right? So I don't actually want all that crap like right there. Get rid of all that. We actually want to do this. We're going to say http fuzz.jeff.thm. We're going to need that like right there. And we're going to say that should be it. I think that's it like right there. I'm going to try that. Okay, cool. He's not bringing back a whole bunch of crap. That's good. We'll see what we get with those two scans like right there. I don't know if big.txt is really the best one to use. I should have just used the regular big.txt, huh? Since we're on Try Hack Me now, we're not. It's not a local network anymore. Let's do user share word list. Derby big.txt like that one, because that one's a lot smaller than the secless one. We'll do Jeff.thm. We'll also fuzz him over there, and we did that nmap scan, right? That was stupid of me. Whatever. So we have a /admin /backups. Okay, let's go ahead and check out that /admin link real quick. Hopefully find something over there. Nothing in here. Nothing at all. Okay. We also have slash backups. Go ahead and check that out. We have slash assets also. What am I on backups? Jeff.thm. Okay. And nothing in here. Okay. So we have slash backups. I'm wondering if we should also, after this is done with, we'll do a go buster. We'll do a attack X, and we'll throw, different stuff on there. This is gonna be super hard to read if anything actually does come through. But we'll get there. He's having a rough time buffing him also. Slash uploads. You want to check that out. Choose file. Let's see here. Shell.php. Upload. Does that do anything? Can we do something like this? That's the password. It says upload file equals. Can we get rid of the upload and just do a file equals? No. Okay. So it doesn't look like any of those things are doing anything right now. If nothing comes back from vhost, we got a hunch for it. Maybe we'll try to do something with I wonder if I should also did header. Probably should also did header for this too. So our map scan is finished, it looks like. And he didn't really find much, just 22 and 80. No, really think of vhost. Because we're not finding anything over anywhere else so far. So I wonder if I just do a go buster vhost. We'll do attack you. HTTP Jeff.thm. Word list could be user share word list derby big.text. I do like using Fuff better for vhost, but he seems to be having a little bit of an issue. If you can't tell with the progress bar over here, might be moving a little bit too fast for it. So that's why I'm running GoBuster also. Should also probably, I want to do a Nicto scan also, but I don't want to do that while these guys are running. So do a print screen of this like right here, just so we can show that we did that. I don't think I ever checked out assets also, so we gotta still check out assets. Durbuster. None of those sites went anywhere, so we are checking vhost. Okay. I don't think I ever checked out assets. Go and check out assets like real quick. Oh, cancel. That's forbidden. Okay, so none of those things go anywhere so far. This upload thing, that didn't seem to go anywhere. Maybe while these guys are running, we'll go ahead and fire up GoBuster and see what's actually going on with that. Let's go ahead and Burp Suite and see what's actually going on with that. Not seeing anything in here so far. Nope, nothing in there. Alright, let's go ahead. So I wonder if I should do the host header. Whatever. We'll find out in a minute, huh? Let's go ahead and grab jeff.thm/uploads. And we'll go ahead and fire up Foxy Proxy here. And we'll type in burp. Let's see if we get anything there. Could also be not allowing PHP files. Could also be uploading and just not giving us any feedback that it did upload. Like a blind upload kind of thing. Hopefully burp will catch it. We'll see. Let's go ahead and see what's actually running on the site too. Oh crap, well burp caught it. Doing great. Doesn't look like anything's running on the site. It's freaking useless, it looks like actually. Let's try it. Let's go ahead and browse. And we'll do, let's say hash.txt, whatever. Let's upload it. Okay, so we get that. Send a repeater. Send it off. And let's see what happens here. Yeah, I don't think anything's actually happening here. So it's going over there. Yeah, nothing's happening in this thing. Okay, nothing's happening in uploads. It's just saying, hey, there's a file upload, but that's also not even true. It's just seems like a dead end, like right there, like a little rabbit hole. I don't think there's anything on the back end to even be able to catch that. Alright, this guy's going. We're getting there. We are getting there. Slowly but surely, we'll get there. Hopefully find something soon. Let's go ahead and check out also a Go Buster Dirt Attack U for Jeff. And we're not going to use sec list. We're just going to use word list dir B, big dot text. And let's go ahead and see if we can find something with jeff.thm. And then we'll throw attack X at the end here and do PHP, HTML, back, zip, back, like that. Dictionary, text, anything like that in here. We'll try something like this because we saw there's a backups folder but nothing in it. So kind of wanted to see if there's anything else on here. Maybe we should actually be looking for that in the backups folder, huh? Slash backups. That's what it was, right? Backups. Yep. Slash backups. There we go. Hey, thank you very much for the follow, Rogucker. Thanks a lot. Welcome. How you doing today? Oh man, gotta grab my Coke. All right, V-Ho's still nothing over here. Yeah, still nothing. He's taking his sweet time. Oh, nothing much. Doing Jeff on Try Hack Me, Hard Box on Try Hack Me, and see if we can get through them in one stream. I guess we shall find out. See what's happening here. We got V-Host running. We got a Directory Buster running. We got, it's a good room. Done it. Good, good. Fuff's messing up over here. Everything's working good. Just trying to see what we got going on here. That's all. We're inside this room. Trying to see if there's any backup files. A little bit of everything. Should also probably do a recursive lookup on what we already found, like /admin. But I think we're beating this box up pretty good so far. Or enough. This Fuff is taking his sweet time, huh? That's a lot faster than it all on Vault Hub. It's about the working of V-Host option in GoBuster. You know, it's because I moved this little guy like right here. And as soon as you do that with Fuff, he just starts going insane every single time. So, it's just, you know, it's just a Fuff thing, you know. But I've had it happen before, and I can scroll up and then see it. You know, you'll see like also like I'm breaking the little ball over here, and there'll be some words. It's like, oh, there. You know, I was a little bit confused about the working of the V-Host option in GoBuster. Oh, so we do want V-Host. R-O-Gucker, or Rogucker. We do want V-Host. Good. So I'm not on the totally incorrect path here. Oh, did I see something? Or is that... No. I don't know, I'm thinking I see something. Freaking the other night when we were doing the 24-hour stream, I didn't even see that we cracked one of the passwords. To the right-hand side, someone else was like, did we crack a password? I looked over there, bright green. Yep, sure did. But he seems to be taking his sweet time with everything, though. I don't know if we're going to find anything. I don't want to start an admin one, since we're beating this guy up already pretty good. We already got this guy running. The V-Host running, and we have, well, I thought one was going to be a quick V-Host over here, but obviously he was not that quick, so. It's just like there's no match. It usually won't even show this, like right here. But it's just saying that, like, you know, like didn't find anything. That's all. Usually you wouldn't see all this. Usually this is all in the background. You don't want to see it. But as soon as you move a terminal, it just starts dropping like crazy. It's, you know, Cali things. Cali stuff and things. Yeah, if there's a match, we would still see it, so not too bad. Manual checks done, HTTP. Yeah, we looked for, well, we got all these guys like right here. Looked through them and everything. Nothing in any of them. Assets we can't get to. Backups was trash. That's why I'm doing the little, for backups, try to see if there's anything else in there. Uploads didn't go anywhere. No JavaScript, nothing on it. No robots.txt, nothing like that. So now we wait. I guess we could always make sure that port 22 doesn't have a banner. This one isn't actually super easy. We're just not realizing it. Alright, port 22 does not have a banner. So I always want to make sure of that. Looks like we found WordPress, of course. We find probably should have did 2.3 medium.txt. We would have found WordPress super quick. Looks like we found a WordPress.jeff.thm in the vhost file. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this guy then, because I think that he's also alphabetical. That one over there. But looks like we found WordPress in here. So let's go ahead and grab that WordPress.jeff.thm, and let's throw that over here and do a little vhost. Okay, cool. And from here, we'll go ahead and throw him into the sudo nano etc host. And we have WordPress. WordPress.jeff.thm. And let's go ahead and hop into there. Make sure it actually is a WordPress. Make sure that's real. Yeah, that's WordPress, all right. Can we do like a /wp WP login? Or WP login.php. Okay, yes we can. Is Jeff a username? Jeff is a user because the password you entered for the username, Jeff, is incorrect, so Jeff is a user. Just a guy, how you doing? So far we found a vhost and it's WordPress. So, and we found out that Jeff is a user. Let's go ahead and do a WP scan. WordPress, and we'll say WordPress.jeff.thm. Plugins detection, tech EU. We'll also enumerate users. We'll do a aggressive plugins detection, which we learned about the other day. I mean, we'll see. Or if there's a plugin that's, you know, trash, we might be able to get in that way, or, you know, might have to just brute force Jeff, or maybe it's admin. I don't know. See if there's an admin on the box, or if it's just Jeff, or who else is on here with the users. So it looks like Jeff's the only user that was identified. Okay. For plugins, it looks like, nope, that's the theme. WP cron, okay. Looks like we're not getting any plugins here. That's some interesting headers. Okay. But yeah, no plugins, it doesn't look like. At least no plugins that are running. How about that? Because I've been on one before where we had to start up a plugin. There was like 20 plugins on the box. They had to start one. And that was vulnerable. Well, they're actually all vulnerable, so it's really just your idea of how you want to get in. You know? WordPress. So we got that now. Let's go ahead and try to brute force Jeff, I guess. Because we have no plugins. We got a 2020 theme. That one's out of date, obviously. And yeah, I also don't have API scan. Or APIs up, though. Which I was told the other day that I need to do. But, you know, we'll see. Okay, let's go ahead and, I guess we'll do a tag U, Jeff. Tag P is going to be user share word list. We'll try fast track at first, I guess. We want to try that one? Fast track. .text. Then we'll try Rocky.text if we don't have anything. In WordPress, no. We lost your password. We could try that, but this isn't really... Because we say Jeff, get a new password, and you have to know his email. It might be jeff@jeff.thm or something like that. But yeah, with WordPress, password abuse is not. I haven't really seen that too much. But really, the thing that you can abuse is username. So if we do Jeff and then we say A, we see this: the password you enter for the username Jeff is incorrect. But we know that admin's not on here, right? That's what we saw. There's no admin user. Now it says unknown user. So we can really just kind of mess like that with it. It doesn't look like Fast Track found anything, so we'll just do Rocky.txt. This is probably going to take a minute, especially as we're not on the Vault Hub anymore. We're back on THM, so it's probably going to take a minute to be able to get through the THM stuff here. But I mean, we'll find something. I'm sure we'll find something. So. Hey, thanks a lot. Oh, thank you for subscribing, Ascertainment. Thanks a lot. It's freaking awesome. Thank you. That's freaking amazing. Thank you very much. Just so you guys know, well, first off, so you guys know, GoPro Slow-Yo, if you do subscribe to him, he's giving whatever you subscribe. I believe he's getting 100. It's 100% of it for a time being. I don't know how long he's doing it for. To any hospitals, anything like that. Planned Parenthood. He's giving his to Planned Parenthood, I believe it is. But I believe he's doing anything that's like Planned Parenthood. He's giving 100% of the proceeds there. All of mine go straight back to you guys. As soon as if I ever get a check for this, then it's just gonna be giveaways. So it's gonna be like, first one, because I think you get paid at like $100 or something like that. So it'd be like a Raspberry Pi. That would be like my first one, something like that. So, I'm also wondering, I wonder if we should do WordPress.jeff.thm to see if there's anything else in here. Oh, hey, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. So maybe you can explain it to me, Ascertain, but I don't know what bits are. Like, I don't know what that is. Somebody else trying to explain it to me. I'm like, I don't get it. Like, I was too dumb to understand it. What are those? Like, I don't know what they are. It was new to me. I was like, what is this? What are bits? We streamed the other day, man. That was rough. I think we made it 18 hours, 45 minutes. It's like a universal currency. Ah, okay. That makes more sense. The other guy, I was getting told it was to hype you up. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, I am hyped. As hyped as I can be. All right, backup.zip. We found that within backup, so that's something. Let's go ahead and check out that. Jeff.thm/backup/backup.zip. Backups, huh? Not backup. Backups. Okay. We get a file. Let's go ahead and save that. We'll move it over to here. Downloads, backups, or downloads, backup.zip. Let's go ahead and throw that over here. Here. Yep. Okay, there we go. Let me go ahead and show that we did that. Like right there. What about here? Yeah, okay. So we found a backup.zip. That's pretty sweet. Durbuster. Let's go ahead and unzip that. Unzip backup.zip. Oh yeah, password. Joomla database path. That's weird. Joomla. If we're on WordPress and we have a Joomla database password, that's pretty cool. All right, cool. Thank you very much, Entertainment. That's weird to me. That is weird. Okay, let's do John. And then we should just be able to do backup.zip, right? Tac word list equals user share word list rocket.txt. Is it like that? Or isn't it like there's the fcrack one, right? Fcrack's super fast with zip files, right? Fcrack. I always forget how to use it. Maybe I've used it to where I can just do a little fcrack. Damn. Like I have to give you a word list to use, right? Can't just tell you just to do this. Joomsploit, yeah, Joomsploit, Joombla, BLAH. There's one like that. There's quite a few of them for Joomla, but I'm just confused that we have WordPress, right? But then we have a Joomla database, which is another CMS. So that's why I'm kind of confused about that. Like, is there another CMS on this machine? Is there one on the internal network? So, might be one on the internal network. I don't know. This guy, he's still trying to crack him over here, which we're not getting very far with this now, are we? Don't worry, we're still at 0.01% done. We're almost there. Hopefully this backup file has something in it. Hopefully maybe, I mean, if it was an actual network, you're the one who wanted a hard box. Maybe if it's an actual network, it could be, it could be something like, got the dictionary. So we just want to describe an actual dictionary. That's what we want to do. Password certainly. It could be that they like updated their, word list or something like that. You know what I'm saying? It could be something like that, But you can't copy this? Okay, I'm about to say. I think I need attack B though. Oh, there we go. Hannah. Didn't we already have one where the password was Hannah? That was like the other day too. We had one like this where the password was Hannah for like everything. It was Joker or whatever, that Joker one. Oh no, well, to really be able to look at the blog, the actual good stuff. Let's see here. No. Hello world. Yeah, we had one the other day where it was Hannah. Okay, so let's go ahead and do an unzip. Backup.zip. Hannah. Whoa! Okay. CD, I guess, in the database. Okay, we can go ahead and cat this guy. Guess we can always grep for Jeff, huh? Isn't it all the way at the very bottom, Joomla, for some reason? There's no Jeff in here. So this might just be a rabbit hole like right here. Yeah, somewhere in here, right there we go. Okay. Super duper user admin, admin@apple.com. Then we have a hash here. Okay, let's go ahead and do this guy. This is for the database, right? And we'll go ahead and we'll grab that hash and we'll do a... No, there was one, we did one the other day where I think it was Joker or something like that. And Hannah was like every password. So we'll go ahead and we'll do a nano hash.text. We'll say admin. Even though admin's not on that one box, this guy might come in handy later. John hash.text, wordless rocky.text 4 equals 4. Alright, it's a blowfish. So we may have to actually use hashcat for this. Oh, it's only times 3. ABC. Dude, this is the same box as something else. We did this. I have already done this. Hold up. Like, we did this yesterday. This is the same box. We did this the other day. And I swear it was like Joker or something like that. Because that's the same password for admin also. Except for the other day, I think we were actually looking at a Joomla database. And we didn't look at any of those yesterday. I don't remember which one it was, but we just did something like this. Like this. Well, we'll keep going. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go ahead and we could. There's no Jeff in that whole thing, so. Seeing this site, and I'm kind of looking for see if there's like a WordPress thing on here also. Temp one web config.txt. We go and cat that. Configuration.php. That's something also you might want to do. Okay, nothing looking like nothing in here. Cat configuration.php. Told you it was Joker. This is the same database, at least as Joker. User Joomla, password 1234. That's for MySQL. Let's go ahead and copy that like right there. Damn, that's a good freaking memory. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's keep going. I'm really looking for Jeff, not Joker. Because Jeff was an admin or a user, right? On that box, right? Joker was not. Jeff was. Index. Administrator. Let's see what we got in here. Layouts, libraries. Plugins. Yep, we saw that's funny. It's the same exact thing as what we had before. That's pretty funny. Other than that, I'm not finding shit in here, huh? The backup.zip. That's all we got so far, huh? There's backup.zip. That looks like I don't know if that's gonna do anything for us, in all honesty. Just because that's all Joomla, unless if we got some password reuse in there. To find the most shit in there. Can we do attack X with this thing? Zip, back, gzip, gunzip, text. Oh, he didn't find anything, did he? And big dot text. That one's not very big though. Never mind. Wait, big dot text is freaking huge actually. Also, attack up W1126. Probably get rid of that. Slash backup slash fuzz. You should be able to find something because he found backup slash backup.zip. So I'm obviously doing something wrong over here. What's going on with you, Fluff? I don't know if TechX actually does anything. For Fluff. Oh, it's a proxy. Okay, whoops. I want to look for file extensions or arguments or something like that. Or if they have like a count separate this by extensions. Okay. Tech E. There, that's a little better, huh? Yeah, catch up to him in no time. How's the food? I don't know, I'm not a really picky eater, so I don't really eat much Japanese food anyways. Sound like a super picky eater. So like right where my mind's going like right now, right? We have backup.zip for Joomla. So what's to say that we don't have a backup file for WordPress? We may not have to brute force this guy, like at all. We may have some type of backup file in there for WordPress. If we have a backup for Joomla, then I'm thinking like backup file like WP back, WordPress.back, something like that. You know what I'm saying? As a backup file for there. If we're pulling down crap like that, you know, we can might be able to do something else. So yeah, it's most likely a Linux machine also there, just the guy. As soon as you put Windows for some reason anything, it all of a sudden becomes difficult. You know? Let's go ahead, let's keep looking at that backup.zip file. God damn it. I don't want to live that life. I don't want to see it in two different spots. Let's keep looking at this guy, because there's got to be something else in here. Okay. That guy's, he's doing his own thing there. You know what I'm saying? He is definitely doing his own thing. We found backup.zip. We haven't found... We got to find something for WordPress. Right now we just found a Joomla database. That's not going to do anything for WordPress. We also haven't found Jeff. At least if I found Jeff, you know, then we could, what is it? Then we could, like, do something along with that. You know what I'm saying? So, but we're not seeing... Oh, man. Jeff is doing something. I don't know what he's doing, but he's doing something. CD in the site. There's got to be something in here. The only site I couldn't get to over here was assets, right? Whenever I went to go look at all the different sites and everything like that. So now I'm thinking I'm looking for assets. Joomla, legacy, access. See CMS? Didn't see that one. Cache? I don't think I saw anything in there the first time. Yeah, it's just index.html. It's that. Components. There's got to be something in here. Got to be something within there that's going to tell us more than what we're being told like right now. Update this guy so we can locate .back and hopefully it looks at that folder also. You know what? Stop him. You want to know why it looks so familiar? Because it was the same thing. That's why. We already did that one. Oh my god. I didn't realize that that one was the same name as this one, like right here. This is going to be a different one. Watch. That's definitely different. That's why it was sitting there like, why is this a Joomla database? Why is it this? Because we already had a backup. All right, let's go ahead and just do an aircrack-ng now. This backup, I guess. That is pretty funny. That is actually pretty funny. It was the same damn thing. Whoops. I wonder why it cracks so fast too. Different password. Wow. Wrong freaking backup file. We have too much stuff on this machine now. Time to redo everything. Delete everything off of Kali. Redo it all. That is pretty funny, like right there. All right, so let's go ahead and unzip backup.zip. Burning bird. Infamous, did you know this? Did you know that was happening? Yeah, I saw that. All right, let's go ahead and CD into backup. That's new. And we have a cat WP admin.back. That's okay. WordPress password is that. So username is Jeff. WordPress password is that. Wow. Let's go. I can't even say I'm tired. You know? Alright. Let's go ahead and I'll CD into assets, see what's else going on in this thing. Are those, okay. Oh, it's only 10. It's only 10 p.m. So it's not late enough for me to make that mistake. How about that? All right. So we have what we think is a password right now, right? Let's go ahead and copy this. We'll say cat user pass.text. Put the nano one anyways. We'll say WP. We have this password. We believe that's for Jeff, like right now. But we believe it is. Because Jeff's the only user that we have like right now. So go ahead and copy that. We'll do a quick, go ahead and try to log in again. And we'll do Jeff with that password. All right, let's go. Remind me later. It is Jeff at jeff.thm. We crushed that problem. All right, cool. Control X, yes. All right, so we got there. So we're at least getting into WordPress slowly but surely, because every time there's WordPress site, it always takes forever. We will get there slowly but surely. There we go. Let's freaking go. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and update the email. Send it back to me. All right. Let's go ahead and go to appearance, themes. Should be able to do customization, right? We are using, it said, well, we can just do 2020, I guess. We can do appearance themes. Can we do theme editor or whatever? Or what is it? I understand. There we go. We want the 404. I guess we could really do any one we want, huh? But we'll do 404 template. Let's go ahead and grab PHP reverse shell. Copy, or let's locate PHP reverse. Go ahead and copy the reverse shell back to ourselves, right? Nano, that PHP reverse shell. Do an ifconfig. Make sure that my IP address hasn't changed. It has not. And let's go ahead and do this like right here. It's going to be 10.13.26.184. And let's go ahead and throw this into here now. Delete that. Cat, the PHP reverse shell. Go ahead and copy that whole thing. Control Shift C. And we'll throw them into here. Control V. Update file. Oh, okay. Let's go. I see. All right. So we're getting a little bit of an issue here, huh? I don't think it's gonna be that easy. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and look at plugins. Because a lot of times there's plugins on the machine that just aren't running. Like they'll be on WordPress, they're not running, and they'll be vulnerable. Or they haven't installed the latest plugin, stuff like that. Hello Dolly. It's one of the workouts that we do all the time. So let's go ahead and check plugins. And let's see if we can get, because both of these, I don't believe are active. At least we didn't see them. So we have version 1.72, version 4.15. So let's go ahead and look at Searchploit. Well, if they're not on though, then it may not have seen it. This is not just a plugin. It symbolizes the hope and enthusiasm of an entire generation, summed up in 2 words sung by the famous Louis Armstrong. Hello, Dolly. When activated, you will randomly see a lyric from Hello, Dolly in the upper right of your admin screen on every page. Wow, that's dumb as shit. Why would you ever need that? Why would you want to waste space doing that if you're in a freaking production environment using WordPress and it's most likely like a company, you know, why would you do that? But whatever. Hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and let's look up Hello Dolly, because that one just made me mad. Search exploit hello. Not getting anything for Hello Dolly, it doesn't look like. What about search exploit Kismet? It's always the anti-spam ones. Those ones are always the ones that are the worst. Got cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. So nothing with the Hello Dolly, huh? Nope. 4.1.5, and neither of those two actually are it. Ooh, really now? So neither of those two are it. And now we have to... How are we going to get a callback on this guy? Because we can't do that. How are we going to get this guy right here? For 2019 maybe? Maybe do 2019's 404 template? I mean, we can really use any template. We can use index if we want to, but let's try to update it in 2019 maybe. Because neither of those two did anything. Nope. What about 2017? Okay, 2017 we updated. Let's go! You know what? I don't know if we could add our own plugin. Yes, you can, because I remember there was another box I did one time where we added a plugin. We just grabbed a plugin and did it like that. I forgot what it was, but the user was able to install plugins, and that was it. And I think that was on, I want to say that was on, what's it called? Proving Grounds. I did one where you installed the plugin and then did your own thing. But we got a call back on 2017. So now all we have to do is just get to the 2017 404 site, which I always actually forget how to freaking do. But let me just look at it real quick. I'm sure I can figure it out. All right. So we have WP content. Remember that. WP content. /themes. What theme are we using? 20 TWNTY 17 /404.php. Okay, so tried plugins, no vulnerable ones, just stupid ones. From there, tried a different theme. 2017, and was able to update. Okay. This should be 4444, right? Or is it 1234? 53. Okay, that'll work too. LVMP on 53. We still have this guy, that one guy going out there too, that Go Buster. I think it's like that. I would say that's hanging, but with WordPress sites, you actually never know. And we did get a callback. All right, cool. Because of how long it takes. It's hanging. No, it's just taking a minute. All right, cool. So we got a callback over here. Let's go. And I shouldn't have a Joomla site because that was all just fake. That was just me being an idiot. Privesk. Okay. Let's go ahead and stack LA. Who am I? ID. What groups do I follow in? Okay, normal stuff. Looks like we might be in a Docker. Looks like we might be in a Docker. Let's go ahead and say which Python. Which Python 3? I think we're in a Docker. Okay, so usually you're in a group though, like whenever you get the Docker stuff, things like that. Now we need to try to get out of this Docker, I think. I think we do, right? Let's go ahead and see what privileges we have. Really the only way to get out of a Docker is by using misconfiguration. Scripts, SUID lookup. See if we have any privileges. No. Do we have any capabilities? No. Oh boy. All right. Can we do anything within the admin group? Term log. Permission denied. Okay. Cron jobs. Or cat/Etsy cron tabs. Good. Okay, at least I can move. Definitely have a Python 3.7, so it lied to us. So we could probably do a CD into Python 3.7, maybe? Can we do a which Python 3.7? Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and at least get a cat scripts full shell. We're going to get a full shell, but we're going to say Python 3 like this, and then I think we're going to say 3.7. I think we're going to do that. Okay, there we go. So we saw that because pretty much we just got lucky. Okay, now we have a full shell, kind of. I mean, we can make a full shell. Since we're in a Docker, let's make a full shell, because that's going to be a pain, I feel like. So we'll do that. Control-Z, STTY, TAC A. Okay, foreground, or STTY, raw, TAC echo foreground. Enter a couple times. Export term equals X term. STTY rows is going to be 34, and columns is going to be 132. Oh, definitely said. Definitely, that's not how you spell rows. Anywhere in the world. All right, there we go. So now we kind of have a full shell. I feel like we can stop that guy down there, but let's keep him going just in case. You never know what's going to happen. Now we need to get out of this damn Docker, right? So let's go ahead and CD into var ww. Man, there's nobody else even in here. Okay. CD and HTML. Get wherever we start off at. Okay. Oh. Well, let's grab that cat, that WP config. I think I found something else also. And it froze on me. Do you see what I see? It seems to have frozen. That's working just fine, but this one over here seems to have frozen. Okay, we'll go ahead and close that out. And we'll do it again. Let's go ahead and listen on port 53 there. Let's get this guy ready to go. Export term. And we're actually just going to do this like right here. And I'm going to exit out of this side over here. If we need them again, we'll open them up. F-stream, what is F-stream? Oh, shit. Did it just stop working? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so LS-Tech LA. Let's CD in the var www again. HTML. LS-Tech LA. Let's cat that wp-config.php, and another one that I also want to cat, if you can't tell, is going to be that ftp backup.php right there. That's being ran by root. Let's cat this guy first, see if we can get a MySQL, see if we can get into a database, anything like that. And it doesn't look like WordPress is actually running shit. Okay, so it doesn't look like that might not be the correct one or whatever. But let's go ahead and cat that FTP backup.php. Alright, to do, I need to finish coding this database backup script. Also, maybe convert it to a WordPress plugin in the future. You can call it Hello Dolly and have just song lyrics posted up on your work network. Okay. db file, db backup / backup.sql. In fact, that's username, backup manager, super sick password 123. Okay, let's go ahead and make another little cat user pass.text or nano, excuse me, user pass.text, and we have, don't need that anymore. That's not actually real. We have this guy right here, backup manager with super sick password 123 exclamation point. So actually, yes, enter. Okay. All right. And that's it. HTTP connect 172.20.0.0.1. So I'm wondering now if we can actually connect to that. 172.70.0.0.1, right? And we're calling for, we're looking for this guy. Can we cat him? Is that what we're doing like right there? FTP login, boom, boom, upload fail. Okay, what are we doing here? Set up Etsy host for the container host. Yes, you do need to do that. What are we doing here? We are, how are we going to So I'm going to go, we just can't FTP into that thing. Can I FTP into him from over here? Somebody do 20001. So I need to FTP into him somehow. And I'm not going to be able to do that now, am I? He's not going to be able to find him. Do we have to do like port forwarding? But what would we even use for a password? We still don't even have a password yet. Oh boy. This is going to be well, I guess we have backup manager, but he's not one of the users though. So we can't. I don't think we can use port forwarding. Right? I don't think we can. Because we don't have a user, so we can't just SSH into him to use the port forwarding in there. I don't think. What can we frickin' do? Sorry, that's gone away. Are we using FTP? Yeah, but I don't understand how we're going to use FTP. So I can't do it over here. Can I even get a file over this thing? Okay, I can do a wget. So I can do a wget, but I'm wondering how the hell I'm supposed to get the FTP actually over into there. You know what I'm saying? Where are you going? So I'm wondering how the hell to actually get the FTP over to where I'm trying to get it to, and also what is that file even doing? Curl. Can we use curl for this? No, because we actually get all this too. Like, this is the only thing that I've seen so far that we can actually mess with, and it's being messed with as root. We can read it. So that's why I don't think that one's a dead end. And so far, there wasn't actually really any dead ends. It was just me not realizing I was doing the wrong backup file. Can we use curl to FTP into something? No, there's no netcat. I already tried that. P, keep the network alive, right? FTP. Will it be like that? 172.20. .01. How do you use curl for FTP? FTP. Okay, can we just enter it? Though, can we just like get in there? Upload login using curl. Can we do something like this? Test user, no, we got. It's gonna be backup manager, right? And we have super sick. Actually, I haven't tested if curl's on this box. That's the only thing I can think of to actually be able to get into the FTP server was curl. No URL specified. Did I specify like right there? I don't really want a URL. Huh. I can't do shit. There's nothing on here. FTP to there, right? Upload, download, rename, delete, make directory, remove. Okay, we got tack after that. Tack P, and then it's a random tack. Let's try that. Alright, so we logged in. We got in there. Let's go! Here we go, okay. Is there a way to actually be able to connect to this thing and keep it open? Okay. So we got into the FTP server. Attack it. Now I want to see what's actually in this FTP server. Or can we just put something in there? Because there's nothing in the damn thing. What do we got here? What is the... Okay, it's called files. So can we do a /files? Empty? I think it's empty. Can we put something in files, which then is ran? Or something like that? Like how, like can we put something in there, which is then going to be run? Like, what is that supposed to do for me, like, right there? That might have just been a waste of time. That might have been a dead end, just like you said. We do have wget. So figure out what's going on here, I guess, huh? Because that's weird. Like, why would we go through all that work to build FTP and there's nothing in files? I forget to be something, at least like, you know, note.txt, you're a dumbass. You know what I'm saying? That would have been funny. You know? And that's backup manager could run that, right? We have his password now. Can we SU into backup manager? We had SSH on, right? Can we SSH as backup manager in this thing, I wonder? They haven't tried that yet. We just went hardcore with that thing. So can we SSH as backup mgr at whatever.txt? Backup mgr 1010 58 161. I don't think so. Damn. Really hard box setup is fun. Oh no, this is good. But there's gotta be a reason we get FTP into that thing. I'm wondering if it's like, I'm wondering if there's something going on where there's a cron job running on that FTP server. You know what I'm saying? There has to be something in there. We must be able to put something in there that could be ran. And if it's running on it, then we should technically be able to get a callback with like a Python reverse shell or a, you know, so we should be able to put something in it with curl. That's the only thing I'm thinking. And that's just kind of like a, yeah, sure, it's there, you know, because who's to say that there's anything running? You think it's a rabbit hole? Just a guy. I'm going to try it anyways. Let's do a netcat reverse shell. Even though this guy doesn't have netcat, but I also think that we're in a container here. So I'm going to try that. Or maybe a Python reverse shell. It's Python 3.7, wasn't it? Something stupid like that. But I'm wondering, I'm thinking it's not. I'm thinking we can hop into it. I'm thinking it's going to be Python 3.7. So we're going to look up a Python 3 reverse shell. No, 3.7. It was 3.7. That was tested on Linux 2.7. I'm just going to grab this guy. We're going to put him on the machine. We're going to try to run him, see if he actually runs him with 3.7. Python.py. We'll call it that. We'll do a, where was it? It was still in user bin Python, right? At least. So watch, I do which Python 3.7. Then all of a sudden we get user bin Python. So we'll do that user bin Python 3.7. Okay. Then we'll add in this Python 3.7. And I'm wondering if I need like more on there or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like for like the Python script or whatever. I wonder if I need something else on there. To actually be able to actually get the call back. We'll see. You know what? Let's just grab this. Let's go like this. Right, Control-Shift-C that guy. Or that's not going to do anything now, is it? Because we still need to change the IP address. 10.13.26.184. 10.13.26.184. Sure, we'll leave it as 1234. And we'll do a Control E, netcat, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to throw him over here and we're just going to see if he runs. Let's go to the temp folder and we'll just going to see if he runs. That's wrong. Should say Python 3.7. Why does it only say Python? I think I copied the wrong thing. That's why. Okay. Okay, so we get a callback. So that worked in the temp folders. We don't need to be in user bin or anything like that. We know that's calling for and everything like that. And I'm www.dat. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead, cd back into var www.html. We are going to run that same curl command, except for this time we're going to try to put, because there's no reason why this shit exists where it does. Man, that was super annoying to get to that curl command again. Okay, so like right there, right? All right, cool. So there's no reason why this shit exists. So I'm going to put in files, I'm going to put in the regular one also, because I don't know where. I'm thinking there's a cron job running in the background. We can't see it, and we're just throwing shit at the wall and see if it sticks. So we're going to upload, okay, insecure, boom, boom, user that, tac T, and then tac FTP creators. I think that might actually create a directory, but we'll find out. Let's try it with tac T at first. So we got to do all that. Tac T, I have to get this guy onto here first. Let's go ahead and do a wget. So let's do a Python 3 web shell over here, right? HTTP server. Oh, it's already up and running. Never mind. All right, wget 10, 13. We do seem edgy around FTP. 10, 13, 26, that way for. When I'm using it with curl, yeah. It's just impossible. Exploit.py. Is that what I called it? Did I just not save it? Oh, python.py. Python.py. Okay. There's that. LSTAC-LA. That guy's in there now, right? He's now, Python.py is now in here. So now we can try to upload him to the FTP server. We're exploiting this FTP server just because just the guy says that it's not the right way. Python.py. Do we put him? Failed FTP upload. Damn. Do we have to do that little thing afterwards? Or try again? Oh, we're going to get you. We're going to get you. Up. Failed. FTP upload. Okay, that's okay. We're still good. I wonder if it needs the full file path. Failed FTP upload. Okay, let's go ahead and copy python.py to /temp. And let's try it again. This time we're going to upload from /temp. But maybe we can't upload anything from this directory. Failed again. Okay, that's still okay. Let's go ahead and try just do it on files maybe. That's not going to, I can't see shit. Great. So we're just going to try it like this and just hope that I'm in the right spot, huh? So let's just say it's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did we just type in? That's not right. That's not right at all. Damn, you still failed to upload, huh? There's still nothing in files also. Oh yeah, it's right there. It says files. Let's go and check out /files. That's weird. That is very, very strange. Okay. Change mode plus X. Not you, silly goose. Python.py. Change mode plus X for /temp. Python.py. /files. Oh, I'm going to get this. We're going to upload something here soon. At some point today, we're going to upload something. Use curl to upload files in FTP. Oh, we're going to figure it out. Where do you think that file's at? Like, where do you think that FTP's pulling from? You know what I'm saying? Can we run a command with curl on FTP server? We have a /files, right? Where is files? Yeah, I was really hoping there's going to be a files in here. Oh, it's pair. How are you? Give SSH port forward to Kali to make testing FTP and others easier. No, because we don't have a login for this guy. So we couldn't do any of that because we would need to run it as a user, the SSH, right? And then we would need a password, right? But there's nobody in here. But this guy is talking straight to that FTP server. I don't have a session. You're saying like port forward from here, from Kali, using... We don't have a session on the 172 port. It's running, we're in a Docker. It's running out a totally different area. I'm thinking we can find, if we can find that files folder, and if there's nothing in it, then I'm wondering if that's what is actually happening. Oh, let's fucking go! Told you we were going to put something in there at some point. It's... Hopefully this actually works. I don't know if it's actually supposed to go into files or not, though. Well, hopefully it's doing it. Something's happening like right now. We know that much. Well, what I'm thinking, just the guy, is that something is running. I'm thinking backup manager. I'm thinking there's a cron job. That's what I'm thinking. We can't see it because we're in a Docker. This is really just like a fucking let's see what happens. Kind of like a Hail Mary. That's what this really is. This is a Hail Mary. Because we have to get out of this Docker. That's if he ever even uploads. Because he's taking his sweet ass time. We got 0. And this is not like a large file. So I might have let go a little bit too early, you know? Oh, I might have let it go too early. I don't know if we're even actually supposed to be in files or not. Or if it's supposed to be like the regular thing. You know, it really is now what? Like, this is just like a freaking spray and pray. If it works, that's probably why it's hard, because there's no reason to know that this would ever run. You know? Now what is we eat some popcorn and watch this guy. That's what we do now. I'm just glad that we actually got a... It's doing something, you know? It's easily the best idea I've had today. Eat some popcorn and wait. I don't know how long to wait for. Okay. Not that long. Let's go ahead and try to get rid of files. Maybe we can just upload it, because files is empty, right? So let's try something. Well, the other one was empty also. It wasn't, wasn't any better. But let's see if it works any faster, not going to files. This is not a large file. An FTP, I mean, it's not that slow. Moves pretty quickly. It's just unsecure. It moves faster than, 2 minutes to upload a file that's 254 kilobytes big. Moves faster than that. I know that much. I mean, FCP whole Cisco image is over. Well then, this is it's taking its time, huh? It's definitely taking its time. We know that the Python script will work. We know that much at least, because we got a callback before with that Python.py script, right? We ran it. Well, we ran what was in it. We never actually ran it, have we? Well, that is a problem right there. I got no idea. I got an idea. Why are we making this harder than it has to be? Why are we making this harder than it freaking has to be? If you're not doing anything, would tomorrow or Tuesday be a good day to come down to grab us? Oh, that's to my mom. It was my wife. She's in America like right now. I was like, yo, what the fuck? That was to my mom. I was like, yo, who did you think you were texting, huh? Oh man, someone was about to die today. Wow. I was about to have a flight and people were going to get murdered. It was going to be a good freaking time. Can I just run just like a bash script in here? Do I need to run a Python script, or can I just run like a shell? You know what I'm saying? Just like shell. I don't see why I would have to run Python. User. Or right now, bin bash. Bin bash looks like. Oh man, that was almost a bad day. Well, somebody almost died today. HTTP. 10.13.26.184 / shell.sh. Change mode plus X shell.sh. And let's try this again. This FTP thing, right? So this time we're going to try with shell.sh. Why are we trying to reinvent the wheel if we don't need to? Oh, what port am I on? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, we may also want. Let's actually check that actually works beforehand, should we? Okay, that does work. So shell.sh does actually work. Let's get that listener back up and running. That should be it. Because it should just run a bin bash shell.sh, right? Should. I guess we'll find out. Soon enough, we will find out. Soon enough. Yeah. Oh, storm coming? It rained here for like a month straight last month. It was actually freaking miserable. Like, it just didn't stop. It's actually bad. I feel like this should at least upload. You know, I feel like we should at least have like some type of percentage done. Unless we just don't see it. It's just like, yeah, it uploaded, you know. Yeah, sure. And we're just like, oh, okay. And it's just like pretending to upload or something. I don't know. Oh, man. This is definitely something else. This is something else. That's if there's actually a cron job running, though, just the guys. If that's actually going to even work. I also don't know if I should put like a bash tax C in there, you know, in the shell.sh. Oh, thought something happened. Like, if that just runs like right there, do I get a callback to myself? I don't know how long this should take. I'm going to go with not this long. Like, if I run this just by itself over here, do I actually get a callback? Yes, I do. Alright, so far everything's working out the way it's supposed to be. But it has to run in that shell.sh file, right? Well, it is executable now, isn't it? If I just shell.sh, do I get a callback? See, how's it know to run it? That's the problem. That's what I'm wondering, like, right there, is how is it going to know to run that file? I just want to upload a file, man. I just want to see this thing actually upload something, that's all. That's all I really want to do. know what else also is we're not saying this is a files directory also. So I'm going to give that another minute. If that doesn't do anything, then we're going to set it to /files. And see if that works at all. We could try it. That's a good point. Oh shit, you can start streaming? You can do this box. Try to figure out what the hell's going on in this thing. We'll do a PSPY after this one. We'll give it a minute or two. We'll do it to /files this time, and we'll see if anything's happening in there. If we can do anything like that. We need to tell it to execute this shell, right? So if we need to tell it to execute the shell, we can send it a command to make it execute the shell. We can, well, once it finally fucking uploads, if it ever does, did the box freeze or something? Is the box, because it's went from 25 minutes to 9 minutes. We might have to reset it. I think I know what to do. If we make a checkpoint 1, okay, if we make a checkpoint 1 on this guy, and then have it execute, right? So if we do a, what is it? Checkpoint 1, checkpoint action, execute, shell.sh, we should technically be able to upload the shell and then have it execute that shell. If it ever actually does this. Ping's not on this guy, on this thing, so I can't even ping him. That's how annoying this is. Okay. We're going to turn in, we're going to start him back up again because it went from 20 minutes to 9 minutes. And it was like frozen. So I have an idea. Let's go ahead. We'll hop back over. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to try to upload this guy into there. From there, then we are going to, what is it? Do a checkpoint 1, checkpoint execute shell on shell.sh. Thus allowing us, okay, to be able to execute that shell. Scripts or cat user pass.text. Let's go ahead and grab his password. So as soon as the WordPress opens up, we use hotlink right into it. We're gonna have to change sudo nano etsy host. See, I have ideas. 10.10.136.0. I hate whenever it's a 0 or anything like that. A 0 like 255. I always hate that. 10.10.136.0. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I entered in the wrong password. Okay. We're going to put this thing to port 4444 this time. Listen out here. Theme editor. Understand. Thanks a lot. 2017. Full 4. Control V. Update file. What the fuck? Oh, we're still in 2020. 2017 select. Leave page. Full 4. Again. There we go. And oh yeah, I want to change it to 4444, right? So we're going to change this to 4444. Update file. Bam. Thank you very much. WP content. Yep, 2017 4444. Thank you very much. Stack LA. Okay, CD into /var ww HTML. Let's go ahead and just grab a quick full shell over here. We'll do a cat scripts full shell. Go ahead and grab our Python 3.7. Of course, we got to make it harder than what it is. There we go. There you go, big guy. Okay, stack LA. We'll go ahead and we'll get up to that FTP backup.php. And we'll go ahead and we'll run, and we'll actually just run this guy right here and get him. Hopefully, he just uploads on the machine this time. Oh, wget HTTP 110.13.26.184 shell.sh change mode +X for shell.sh. Okay, and then we'll copy that in there, and we'll see if he goes anything. Hopefully, it does something this time. As soon as I Control C, it's gonna freaking kick me out because I didn't make a full shell, a full shell. So that was good. That was genius of me. I really wish we could actually see like if it was like uploading like parts of it or whatever. Maybe it's like PowerShell. You just gotta keep clicking enter until it finally works. Oh yeah, my listener back here, which is on 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much. We still gotta make it so it executes that shell also. It still has to be uploaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still have to at least get it to be uploaded. It's not even uploading. I wonder if it actually is. We'll just give it like a minute, and then we'll look to see if that file's in there. What was that command again? To see if the file was in there? This guy, like right here, right? Let's like see if like that file's in there or something. Smoke is for effect. We'll go like 2 minutes. We're going to have to reconnect to that shell again or whatever. See if that file's in there. I didn't make a full shell because I'm an asshole. Whoops, daisy. Disabling EPSV, huh? So curl uploads keeps failing. Why do you keep failing? Hold up. Hey. No, not that. Tac P and curl keeps it alive, right? Tac capital P. I wonder if that's what the problem is. I wonder if because we're not keeping it alive. I wonder if we need to throw a tac P onto here. Tac P should just be verbose, isn't it? Yeah, verbose. Alright. So I think I have to do it. I know. I hear you. Oh, tac P tac. That's why. I have to do a tac P tac. Give me a minute. I have another idea. We will do PSPY here in a second. I know I just said that like 10 minutes ago. I think that tac T, I think it's positional. These arguments. I think it's not uploading anything, and that's why. I think these arguments are positional. Why can't you open up files? Are you lying to me? It's because there's no files in there? Is that why? At least I got better than just it failed, huh? Why can't you open that anymore? What do you mean? Probably because that's not the target file, is it? The target file is actually like right here, huh? That's probably why you're telling me that. Failed to upload. Why are you failing to upload? Why do you do that? That should just be just the FTP, right? Just the FTP server there, right? I believe. Should be that way, right? Yeah, the dash after the P, that's supposed to be there for the tac P. I know, it's fucking stupid. I understand that. It is very, very stupid. Are you failing to upload? I don't understand that at all. Um, user. I think I can do something FTP. I think I can tell it to FTP into that user. Chisel and proxy change at the same time. We're in Docker. Chisel and proxy change at the same time. That seems like a little bit hardcore. Like I'd probably look up a write-up before I did that. You fucking fuck, dude. What is going on here, man? I don't get it. I do not get it. Tag V should not do anything for us. Yep. We're logging in. Have we tried just to SU over this guy yet? Of course he doesn't exist. Why would he exist? This is fucking impossible, dude. Like, I don't get it. Capital P's for the port? Well, we could do that. But we're using capital P beforehand and we're able to pull stuff back. Failed to do port. Probably because we're putting the port at the end of it. Let's get rid of that. Let's try like this. Putting the port at the end of it, so. We at least try to connect to it when we don't do the capital P. Hold up. Use port instead of passive. There you go. Yeah, this shit is not transferring, like, at all. I don't know how long it's supposed to take, but it's not transferring. Are you ready? No, nothing. I got you. I don't know if it's X64. We're going to try it though. Whoops, that ain't even right. On that. So that's session to 1. Hopefully we get something back. Looks like we're going to. Yep. Was it run raw tech S? There we go. 2000. Right. Okay, so now we have proxy chains out, right? Send down here. Proxy chains FTP. Right. Proxy chains FTP 172.20.0.1. And we have backup manager, right? And we have super sick password 123. Login is successful. There we go. There's your proxy change class. No, nothing. I got you, pimp. Logged in, then it keeps saying illegal port command. I think I've actually seen this before. FTP illegal port command, huh? Turn passive off. Yeah, how do I do that? Because I've seen that before and I've had to use this before. Yeah, not the passive. You're using active mode, not the passive mode, okay? The standard fix is to enter the command pass. Okay. Passive mode on. Fall back to active mode on. I don't want to do that. I remember it was something super easy, like just typing in pass. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't think it's pass off. I remember it was something stupid simple. I wonder if I do it before I log in. So it looks like it has to do with the port. Passive mode off. Passive mode on. Can't connect to it. It's in passive mode. Okay? Well, that's annoying as shit. Let's still try to put something. How about that? Can I do it like tac pass? Can you do something like that? Can we send a file through FTP? Try to reconnect, then do passive. Oh, like do it first instead of typing commands and trying it? I see what you're saying. If that can mess it up. Passive mode is off now. So passive mode is already on actually. Can't bind for data connection, address already in use. Can we send a... We can send a file just over FTP, right? Just using FTP, we can just send a file, right? We can also use proxy chains. We can use like netcat stuff like that now too. But user password at host port /path. I wonder if it's... I wonder if we have to do... Let's do this. Okay, FTP. That. User backup MGR. Password. Right? At the host. Okay. Port /files. I wonder if we have to do that. Oh, you fucker. Stop doing that, please. So no such directory, but there is that directory, or is it /file? It's saying that that directory doesn't exist. But that does exist. What the fuck is going on with this thing? Or if he's only allowing certain connections. Proxy FTP, FTP, okay. So proxy FTP and then FTP like that, that's what you're saying? Okay, yep, good job. Nice thinking. What is going on with this thing? Disabled for this connection. Alright, so this has been going on, I think, for 2.5 hours now. Let's see what the fuck's going on. FTP is only accessible from the internal network. Figure that out. Use Python to get the job done. The following script does every necessary step. I'll explain. Well, I guess we could try to do this Python script like right here. Let's try that. Let's try something like this. And we get that Python script over there. Alright, I obviously have to put in probably... Oh, you need to shell the SH. Thank you. I'm going to go over that to change this backup manager password. It's going to be right here. That's annoying. I don't know if it's highlighting or not. Does it use tar wildcard? Where'd you see that at? Oh, where's that at? I didn't actually read the script here that we're running. Just got mad. Here. W, get it? Should still be up and running, right? This guy won't even W get anything anymore. I think you two have to guess it because it's going to be around the host. And we're in a Docker over here. This thing ain't even up and running anymore, so. Oh, probably because that's the wrong IP address also. Type it too fast. 184 PS PY 64. We'll say that /temp. So let's give it a file name. You notice that? Well, no, that's not me. Never mind. All right, we'll let that guy run over there. But he's not really seeing much. We'll let him run for a minute or whatever. Because I'm thinking it's probably every minute that I think he's probably going to run. He did the same thing that I did. That was nice of him, wasn't it? What port is he listening on? Yeah, we gotta actually do more of this guy than what I just did. We obviously have to get a port and everything like that, right? There we go, right here. Ten, 13, 26 down 184. I'm pretty sure we also tried to Python one in the beginning, didn't we? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, nothing happened over here. Let's go ahead and do this. Boom, boom. We'll do a wget for ftp.py, cd/var, www.html. We'll do a wget for ftp.py, wget 10, 13, 10.13.26.184 /ftp.py. Python 3, ftp, well, we don't have to do that. Yeah. Python 3 ftp.py. Okay, Python 3.7 ftp.py. That's what I'm thinking too. Is that we put it on the host machine and then it goes from there. But we need to get into FTP for it to be able to do it, as far as I can tell. Does this thing work for this guy? I love whenever people say that worked and then it like, yeah, this worked. And then you do it. Like, no, that wouldn't work. Where'd it go? Look at that. The cron tab is running outside the container. They use a backup manager is running tar every few minutes and uses a wildcard to include everything in the FTP files directory. But we can't actually upload anything to files. So, FTP store lines. Looks fine to me. It's gotta be deleted. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one more time. Do another wget for it. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a Python 3.7 ftp.py. Motherfucker. It should be. Okay, so he got them in the slash files directly with that. All those files like right there with that FTP. Let's see something. And he got that checkpoint in there and everything. Let's see if anyone else did it a different way. Like if anyone else used like proxy change or anyone else. That's no let's go. No, the listener's not even going. I don't even care. What did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4? I don't know what I even put in there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. I want to see if everyone in the world just knew about this. Oh, strange, huh? He used MSF Venom, made reverse shell. Then wait for it. He used curl. Huh. Weird. So he used curl. Okay, so we had to use this file like right here for some reason to be able to import it. So I'm just going to copy this whole thing. After a while of this, we gave up and looked at a walkthrough. One of them had a Python file that uploaded stuff. Whoops. Did I not copy that? Oh, I copied it. Oh, because it doesn't like to copy, that's why. Over in Sublime Text for some reason. Okay, so there's the Python file that we used. We caught it back with the listener. Notice we uploaded tac checkpoint equals 1 and tac checkpoint action equals execute equals shell. Alright, the only thing I'm pretty happy about is I was thinking that needed to be done after it got onto the machine. I don't know why somebody else used curl and it seemed to work just fine, so I'm kind of confused about, well, we can't do an ifconfig. There's Jeff. We can't get into his thing. Let's cd into backup manager now. Let's go ahead and get rid of this guy over here. I don't want to look at those anymore, okay? FTP bash history .scripts backup.sh. And yes, it is running a tar. Yep. Okay, so it was what we thought it was doing. So it is doing what we thought it was doing, so that's cool. We got that. There we go. So we got that like right there, right? We're in it. If I do that over here, like right there, 172.20.06, we're inside the local network now at least. Now we need to figure out how the hell, I guess, to become Jeff. I would think, right? That's what I think we have to do because need to be able to do something, you know, we need to be able to fuck with Jeff's stuff, right? So let's go ahead and start doing our normal numeration shit. Var backups. Sudo tac L, all that good shit. Okay, never mind. Cat Jeff.back. Because we can not read that. It's an executable file. No, cat Jeff.back. Why is that executable? What is that? That's weird. Very, 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 very weird. Can we copy him? 5-minute break. Alright, we'll do. Give me a minute. I'll be back in 5. That won't have me sad, so it'll be a good break. We'll take a minute, be back in 5, and we'll go from there. Oh man. So we gotta get pumped back up again, you know? Not pump like right now, so let's do this. Let me go ahead and